Wayne and Holmes counties, places where caring people live and work and where every day mental health matters. If you or someone you love needed mental or emotional support and counseling, where would you turn? For nearly 40 years here in Wayne and Holmes counties, people have been turning to the Mental Health and Recovery Board and its network of local agencies which support a wide range of services. The provider network includes agencies such as Catholic Charities Services of Wayne County, Christian Children's Home of Ohio, the Counseling Center of Wayne and Holmes counties, Every Woman's House, Outreach Community Living Services, Steps at Liberty Center, the Village Network, Your Human Resource Center of Wayne and Holmes counties. Also included in the network are organizations such as National Alliance for the Mentally Ill, NAMI, and Advocates for Mental Health of Wayne and Holmes counties. Each year, over 4,600 adults and children draw on the treatment services funded by the Mental Health and Recovery Board. Education and prevention programs reach an additional 12,000 individuals. The Mental Health and Recovery Board is the public authority for funding mental health and substance abuse treatment and prevention programs in our two-county area. 18 volunteer board members from Wayne and Holmes counties meet monthly to plan, organize, and give oversight to community services supported by the board. And guess what? Treatment works. People recover. For example, victims of domestic violence or sexual abuse can find shelter and learn independent living skills to make it on their own. Children and adults in crisis can get help and avoid self-harm. Families impacted by chemical dependency can receive intervention and get back on track. All of these services plus more are made possible through agencies supported by the Mental Health and Recovery Board. Agencies such as Every Woman's House provide shelter for victims of domestic violence and their children. Steps at Liberty Center provides intensive and residential treatment. The Village Network helps troubled youth. Your Human Resource Center of Wayne and Holmes counties provides at-risk behavior intervention. Outreach Community Living Services helps persons with serious mental illness. Catholic Charities Services serves children, including toddlers, with behavioral problems. The Counseling Center of Wayne and Holmes counties provides pharmacy and psychiatry services. And the Christian Children's Home of Ohio helps severely emotionally disabled kids. These agencies prove over and over again that mental health matters, and all of these agencies receive funding through the Mental Health and Recovery Board. This vital network of community agencies is dedicated to providing cost-effective, coordinated, and affordable mental health and recovery treatment to people of all backgrounds and circumstances. These agencies provide services for children, teens, adults, seniors, and families at all levels of income and do not turn anyone away due to their inability to pay. Services include everything from 24-hour-a-day, 7 days a week crisis response, to programs such as suicide prevention and child assault prevention, as well as classes on parenting, money management, and so much more. There is also programming for at-risk youth, as well as home-based counseling for children and families with behavioral difficulties or parent-child conflicts. All of us try to adjust to changes such as grief, loss, and chronic illness. Trauma, aging, and biochemical imbalances can affect anyone through no fault of their own. Every day we all face increased stress making ends meet and trying to keep our children and families safe and healthy. Where would our communities be without these agencies and the aid that comes through the Mental Health and Recovery Board? Your support for this levy will ensure that those people who have come to rely on the services provided through our local agency network will continue to have a place to turn. Remember, mental health matters, and a community worth living in takes care of its own. We are fortunate that the citizens of Ohio chose to establish local mental health and recovery boards and have continued to support their work for nearly 4 decades. Let's keep it that way by supporting the upcoming 1 mil replacement levy in November.
Today's students face more challenges than ever before. The programs supported by the Mental Health and Recovery Board keep students in school, safe, and on track for success. We constantly call upon the agency's expertise to help students and families stay healthy and reach their goals.
When patients came to my office, they didn't just have physical problems, they could have emotional problems too. As a physician for more than 40 years, I know how very important it is to treat the whole person. I feel that I can always rely on the services that the Mental Health and Recovery Board and its contract agencies provide for citizens in our area.
People don't realize that officers are not just responding to crimes, they are also responding to crisis. We count on the crisis team services supported by the Mental Health and Recovery Board when my staff needs the expertise handling calls and helping people who are distraught. The crisis teams are the unsung heroes of our community. Where would we be without help in the responding of over 1,200 crisis calls just last year?
The excellent quality of Wayne County's workforce is a key to maintaining a vibrant economy. Workers need to be healthy, both physically and mentally. The Mental Health and Recovery Board and its network of local, competent agencies provide vital services to our citizens, which helps to keep our workers on the job.
Thanks to your generous and continuous support of the Wayne and Holmes County Mental Health and Recovery Board, thousands of people have been able to recover. Mental health matters. Continue the caring by voting yes for the Mental Health and Recovery Board levy on November 6th.
Mental health matters.
People do recover.
Thank you, Mental Health and Recovery Board.